In today's video, we're diving into the world of affordable woodworking tools, all priced under $30. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your toolkit, we've rounded up 20 budget-friendly options that deliver great value without breaking the bank. Let's get started. The Jorgensen Corner Easing Plane is a durable, precision hand tool with a sharp 01 steel blade and 4 interchangeable tips for various trimming needs. It also has convenient built-in blade storage and a polished base for smooth operation. An ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making quick work of easing sharp edges on your projects. DeWalt titanium drill bits have a 135-degree split-point tip to prevent walking, and a titanium nitride coating for added durability. They drill clean, accurate holes in metal, wood, and plastic. Designed to stay sharp longer, these bits offer reliable performance with less effort, making them ideal for both professionals and DIYers. The Milescraft DrillBlock Plus, priced around $13.97, is a compact, durable drill guide that helps you drill perfectly straight 90-degree holes with ease. It features 9 hardened steel bushings for the most commonly used drill bit sizes, making it versatile for various projects. The flat side and V-groove base allow accurate drilling on flat boards, edges, or even rounded surfaces, so you can use it on wood, metal, or plastic. It's a must-have addition to any toolbox. Eye-gauging digital AngleCube, about $30, is a precision tool designed to deliver accurate digital angle measurements on any steel or iron surface. It's perfect for setting bevel cuts on table saws, jointers, band saws, or drill presses. The device features a simple one-button calibration system. Just place it on a flat surface, press 0, and then attach it to your tool for precise angle adjustments. The Smart Pushblock, around $29, delivers unmatched control and safety in the workshop with its innovative Smart Hook technology. Featuring a wide, non-slip green grip surface, it conforms to the shape of your workpiece for superior traction, even if dust or debris is present. The auto-retracting Smart Hooks engage at the end of your board for added control and then tuck away when not needed, helping protect your hands during cuts. The Pica-Dry marking pencil, about $24.57, is a versatile carpenter's pencil that works on nearly any surface, dry, wet, glossy, rough, dusty, or oily. It uses a special 2B 4-all graphite lead that provides clear marks, but can be wiped off glossy surfaces with a damp cloth. It's compatible with different colored leads, allowing you to mark on both light and dark materials, and you can choose either water-soluble or water-resistant leads as needed. Zero clearance tape, around $7.33, enhances the precision of your miter saw by eliminating chip out and providing an exact cut line reference. Simply apply this self-adhesive tape over your saw's throat plate for cleaner cuts and more accurate alignment. Made from durable PVC, it holds up through repeated use and ensures consistent professional results, job after job. The Woodpecker's CornerLock, approximately $30, is a simple yet effective jig for holding 2 pieces of stock at a perfect 90-degree angle. Ideal for assembling frames, boxes, or cabinets, it keeps your materials perfectly aligned while you install fasteners, apply clamps, or plan your next step. Just compress the spring and drop it over the joint. The square steel corner and dual alignment pins will lock everything in place. The QUINN contour gauge, about $12.99, makes it quick and easy to copy complex shapes or profiles onto your workpiece. It features a durable plastic construction that won't kink or rust, ensuring long-lasting use. A magnetic back allows for easy storage on metal surfaces, making this tool especially practical for woodworking, tiling, flooring, and more when you need to duplicate shapes accurately. The wheel marking gauge, around $24.99, is a high-precision layout tool designed to help woodworkers scribe accurate lines parallel to an edge or surface. It features a roll-stop fence with a flat spot for stability, along with laser-engraved measurement markings in both metric and imperial units, up to 6 inches or 150 millimeters. This ensures you can lay out precise cut lines or mortise widths with ease and repeatability. The Stanley 4-piece chisel set, approximately $7.65, offers durable, precision-ground cutting edges for clean, accurate paring and chiseling. Each blade is uniformly hardened along its full length for consistent performance, and each heat-tempered and lacquer-coated to resist rust. Ideal for a variety of woodworking tasks, this affordable set is a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced craftsmen. The Trend 3-piece drill bit guide set, about $23.47, is designed for precise, self-centering pilot hole drilling, perfect for installing hinges, lock faceplates, and other hardware. Each guide features a quick-release quarter-inch hex shank, making it compatible with quick-change chucks and impact drivers. The high-speed steel bits provide long-lasting performance, while a spring-loaded mechanism ensures each bit retracts safely after use, preventing marring of your workpiece. This 5-piece Countersink drill bit set, around $30, includes 5 premium bits designed to drill clean, flush screw holes in a variety of woodworking projects. Each bit features a quarter-inch hex shank for a secure, quick fit in most drills or drivers with no slippage. Made from hardened steel, these Countersink bits offer long-lasting durability and cut precise, professional-looking recesses for your screw heads. The WEN Miter Saw Protractor, approximately $17.46, takes the guesswork out of measuring angles for crown molding, trim work, or general carpentry. Constructed from precision CNC machined aluminum alloy, it offers both durability and consistent accuracy. The laser engraved scales are clear and easy to read, while an internal rotating O-ring ensures smooth, effortless adjustments to find the exact angle you need. The Deep Hole Marker, around $30, is a specialty marking pen designed to mark on nearly any dry surface with precision and ease. It features an extended stainless steel tip that reaches into tight or deep spaces, making it ideal for detailed or hard-to-reach marking tasks, like marking inside dowel holes or behind fixtures. The marker uses a permanent ink that can be removed from glossy surfaces with alcohol or a suitable solvent, so your marks stay put on rough surfaces but clean up easily on finished ones. The Narex Rotary Rasp, about $15, is a high-quality shaping tool for fast material removal using a power drill or flexible shaft tool. Hand-stitched in the Czech Republic, this rotary rasp's ultra-sharp, irregularly spaced teeth provide aggressive cutting action on wood. Because it's hand-stitched rather than machine-made, it also leaves a smoother finish on the workpiece compared to standard rotary rasps. Narex cabinet makers rasps, around $21.98, are built for durability and precision, making them ideal for heavy stock removal as well as fine shaping and woodworking. Made from quality tool steel, hardened to 45 HRC, these hand tools can handle tough materials without losing their edge. Their CNC stitched teeth ensure a consistent tooth height for smooth, uniform material removal on every stroke. Featuring a flat profile and ergonomic hornbeam wood handles, they offer comfort and control along with long-lasting performance. The pack's 3-piece Gents Saw Package includes a traditional 8-inch Gent saw with a fine 20 TPI blade designed for smooth, fast cuts. It's perfect for delicate joinery work like dovetails and tenons. The saw offers a cutting depth of 1 1/8 inches beneath a polished, folded brass back, combining precision with classic craftsmanship. It also features a turned walnut handle with a brass ferrule for comfort, control, and an authentic vintage feel. The Empire Digital Angle Gauge, approximately $30, is a compact, durable tool for precise angle measurement and leveling tasks. It offers dual measurement ranges, 0 to 90 degrees, and 0 to 180 degrees, which makes it versatile for everything from setting up saw blade angles.
The easy-to-read reverse contrast LCD display rotates automatically and remains highly visible even in low light conditions, so you can always read the measurement from any angle. Multi-purpose project blocks, 4-pack, approximately $24, are versatile, heavy-duty supports that enhance stability and flexibility for woodworking or home improvement projects. Each of the 4 hexagon-shaped blocks can support up to 200 pounds and won't roll away. They provide a stable lift for your workpiece during tasks like painting, clamping, sanding, and finishing, allowing you to work from all sides without the piece touching the ground. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tool reviews and woodworking tips. We hope these budget-friendly tools help you in your workshop. Happy woodworking, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.